Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 96GB kit, specifically the 2x48GB 6800MHz CL40 version. This memory promises to be a powerhouse, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about speed. 6800MHz is seriously fast. With modern CPUs packing more and more cores, the need for rapid data access is greater than ever. This Corsair Vengeance kit aims to deliver exactly that, promising faster processing, rendering, and buffering. It's designed to keep pace with even the most demanding tasks. One of the standout features is the onboard voltage regulation. This allows for easier and more stable overclocking compared to relying solely on motherboard control. The Corsair ICUE software provides a user-friendly interface to fine-tune these settings, giving you precise control over your memory's performance. Speaking of ICUE, the software integration is a major plus. It allows for real-time frequency readings, voltage adjustments, and the creation of custom XMP 3.0 profiles. This means you can tailor the memory's performance to specific applications or tasks, optimizing efficiency and getting the most out of your system. The inclusion of custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles is another great feature. You can save different profiles via ICUE and quickly switch between them depending on what you're doing. This level of customization is a boon for power users who want to squeeze every last drop of performance out of their system. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 also sports a compact form factor. This low-profile design ensures compatibility with a wide range of DDR5 builds, even those with limited clearance. You won't have to worry about it interfering with your CPU cooler or other components. The heat spreader design is sleek and functional, effectively dissipating heat to maintain stable performance even under heavy loads. The black finish gives it a clean and modern look that will complement most PC builds. In terms of real-world performance, this memory kit shines. In gaming, it translates to smoother frame rates and reduced stuttering, especially in CPU-intensive titles. For content creation, it significantly speeds up rendering times and improves overall workflow. Multitasking becomes a breeze, with the system handling multiple demanding applications simultaneously without breaking a sweat. The 96GB capacity is also a huge advantage for those who work with large datasets or run multiple virtual machines. You'll have plenty of headroom to handle even the most memory-intensive tasks. Of course, such high-performance memory comes at a premium. This kit is definitely an investment, but if you're looking for the best possible performance and have a budget for it, the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 96GB is a top contender. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 96GB kit is a fantastic option for anyone looking to upgrade their system's memory. Its speed, features, and ICUE integration make it a worthwhile investment for gamers, content creators, and power users alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.